Hello everyone, Foxy Hunter here, and today this is my puppy. Look at his cute face. But be careful, he's vicious.
He's a turd!
You're a turd bucket!
No, there's a camera on me.
No, you're gonna say mean stuff about me.
No, no.
If you do, I'm deleting the video. You won't be in any of my videos.
That dog is a jerk, so unless you let him sniff you or get used to you, I'm warning you, the boy dog is a jerk.
Oh my god. He's not a jerk, he's just adorable, but he's also vicious. As Chinese superstars die. He's a oh crap. Did it crack more? I think it did. Ah.
You already cracked your tablet?
Yeah, a little bit.
Mom, Jay already cracked his tablet.
She knows. She knows I showed her. But it still works fine. Oh crap. What did I do? What did I do?
You did your crap.
This made look at me now, look at me now. I'm going to do the party dance. Cat treats. These should work. I tried these yesterday downstairs and the cat was like, "Hey, is that cat treats? Give me some." Ha! And there's a little doggy named Dancer. Named Dancer. She's a black dog. I'm not trying to be racist. But she's literally, her fur is black. I'm not being racist. I'm just saying, her fur is black. I'm gonna stop saying that because it sounds racist. You're racist. Well, I'm tan. Tan.